All right, you Jamokes and Jamokettes, we are back at the job that we put the Mars Bluetooth app-related ECM motor. I did have a problem with the app, and it tried to get it to auto CFM for it. So last video I had to dial it in, and the only thing I could think to do, I went off an old static pressure that I had marked for the filter, and it was 0.42, I think. Yeah, 0.42. Total external static pressure. All right, so I'm taking it, it's a slant coil, so I'm taking it right here and one at the top of the plenum. So we are gonna do the TrueFlow grid to make sure that my pressure matching gave us the right CFM. So we're gonna do a TrueFlow grid on this bad boy. I probably should have done that before I started the video, but what are you gonna do? She is a 2-ton. All right. I don't know if it matters, but it's okay. And we were set for 350 per ton on this job. I thought I got Wi-Fi. We'll just do next. All right, so tube on the positive down to the return side. So I'm going to take this out and put it on the positive side, just like the app tells you to do. Super easy. There it is. It's going to let us know how much static is on the return. Let it balance out. Take the measurement. Now it wants to go into the supply duct. So I already got a tube set up. I'll take the blue one off. Let it hang to the side. There we go. Put it to the input side. There we go. And I do have a previous TrueFlow grid report on this one. I'll see if I can take a screenshot. All right, next. All right, we're gonna take the filter out. I had taped it up. This is one of those filter buys from Amazon. I don't know if it has to be in there, but we'll throw it in there just like that. Make it look nice, you know? All right, let's see what we got. We should be at about 700 something. All right. $780, all right. So look at that. So We could go down a little bit more. So pressure matching works. So if you do have a static pressure on the previous motor and the app ain't working, and like I said, this thing does 1.5 to half horse. So it's a great motor to keep on a truck. And you could have this and the higher up one, and you cover yourself for a bunch of X13 motors. The app not working, not so good, but you can pressure match, or you can use a TrueFlow grid. So I can open up the app on my phone, and I'm gonna probably dial her down a little bit and get this one to about 350 per ton, because we're in a humid climate here. So, all right, guys, we'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, guys, I was not happy with leaving it at that CFM, so I took the filter back out. But I check static per TrueFlow, and I dropped the, you can adjust speed in torque. So I was at 30%, so I dropped it to 22%. I had to do it a couple of times, and we got her right up 700 CFM. So I'm happy with it. But that was a big adjustment. So every time you make an adjustment here, you need to back out and do the TrueFlow grid again, because the static pressure up in the supply plenum is a different reading. So, but I still love these motors. You know, you have one motor on the truck for like one ton to like 3 tons, and then got another set for 3, 4, 5, I'm assuming. And like I said before, auto size just wasn't working. I was hitting it, it wasn't doing anything. So maybe there's something I was doing wrong. If anybody knows, throw it in the comments below. We'll catch you kids on the next one.